In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set the naming series in ERPNext, a vital part of customizing your system to fit your business operations seamlessly. The naming series feature in ERPNext allows you to automate and standardize the naming of your records, whether they are customers, suppliers, or any other entities. This not only helps in maintaining consistency across your system, but also in quickly identifying and tracking records when they grow in number. Let's dive right into the process. Start by navigating to the core of the ERPNext system, which is the settings. Depending on your needs, you'll be looking at either selling settings or buying settings. These settings determine how your customers and suppliers are organized and managed within the ERP framework. Whether you handle products and services predominantly, knowing precisely where to begin is crucial, so make sure to choose the appropriate path suited for your business structure. Once you're in the respective settings window, you'll want to locate the option titled Customer Naming By if you're dealing with customer records. Alternatively, if you are working on organizing supplier records, look for Supplier Naming By. Here is where you'll make the significant change that drives uniformity in record keeping across your operations. Next, set it to Naming Series. This choice is pivotal because by selecting Naming Series, you are essentially instructing ERPNext to generate a structured and sequential numbering system for your customer or supplier records. Instead of manually naming each entity, which can be prone to errors and inconsistencies, the system will automatically assign a unique series of numbers. This method not only aids in maintaining uniformity, but also drastically reduces the possibility of duplications and errors, thereby streamlining your data management process. With this change implemented, each time a new customer or supplier is entered into the system, ERPNext will assign a series number. This systematic approach simplifies record tracking and searches, especially as your database expands. It's a robust solution for organizations that manage a large volume of transactions and need an efficient way to keep everything organized. Remember, standardizing your customer or supplier records not only makes internal processes smoother, but also reflects professionalism in your business dealings. Consistency in your ERP system goes a long way in ensuring that your employees and stakeholders can rely on accurate and methodical records. I hope this guide provides a clear and comprehensive understanding of how to set up the naming series in ERPNext. By following these steps, you'll be able to maintain an organized, efficient, and professional database. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your ERPNext experience.